Hello, this is Elin Kåven. I am in Alta, northern Norway. Sápmi. As you can see, there's snow here now. And I just wanted to send a greeting to Europe because my CD Maitan Tho has been released there in September, and I just wanted to know how you like it and just let you know how excited I am about this. And we're working on a tour in Europe in 2014, so I hope I will see you there. Let me know how you like my CD, and you can get it from the Nordic Notes webpage. Nordic Notes is is the label that has released my album. So thank you to Nordic Notes and Christian. Have a nice winter. Bye.